Om Shanti. Today's BK English movie, 23rd August 2021. Listen, read, and also improve your English with meditation. Morning Bully, Baap Dada Madhuban. Essence. Sweet children, promise yourselves that you will become very sweet, that you will look at everyone with happiness and love, and not become trapped in anyone's name or form. Question: what is the result of having yoga? What are the signs of those who are powerful yogis? Answer: the result of having yoga is that all your physical senses become completely peaceful and cool. Thumb yogi children are those whose physical senses don't cause any mischief at all. Their vision is not even slightly drawn to any bodily being. Sweet children, you are no longer young. You are now in your stage of retirement. Song: awaken, O brides, awaken. The day is about to come. Om Shanti. You sweetest spiritual children heard the song. Churn the meaning of this in your hearts and experience happiness, because these are matters of the new world. You listen to these new things at this time. Now you children understand that it cannot be a human being who establishes the new world. When you hear these things, you understand you are once again being told anew the same things of old that you were old 5,000 years ago. That which is old becomes new, and that which is new becomes old. You now know that Baba tells you anew all the same things he told you 5,000 years ago. They are the same things. Why does he, Baba? Why does he tell them? To enable you to claim your inheritance of the new world. Here you have to perform the dance of knowledge. They perform many dances in devotion too. They continue to dance everywhere they go. The dance of knowledge is very easy. Their physical organs have to work a lot in those dances. They have to make a lot of effort. Here the dance of knowledge is the only performed internally. Your intellect have the knowledge of how the world cycle turns. There is no difficulty in this. Yes, remembrance does require effort. Sometimes some children fail. They fall in some situation or other. The most important thing is not to become trapped in anyone's name or form. Due to lust, husband and wife become trapped in the name and form. Anger does not trap you in anyone's name or form. This is the first wise, and you have to be very cautious about it. Don't become trapped in anyone's name or form. Consider yourselves to be soul. I, the soul, came bodiless, and I now have to return bodiless. The consciousness of the body has to be broken. The sickness of becoming trapped in someone's name and form is very bad. The Father cautions you children. The Father cautions you children. Some children don't understand this at all. They say Baba is saying unnecessarily that you become trapped in someone's name and form. However, this is an incognito sickness. This is why the bridegroom awakens the brides. That is, the Father awakens you children. Children, wake up. The golden age is now to come again, and after the iron age, the Father comes to ignite your light. When someone dies, People ignite a lamp for him and then look after it so that it does not go out and that the soul does not experience darkness. In fact, all of those things belong to the path of devotion. The soul departs in a second. Some people even consider light to be good. They consider the Brahma, they consider the Brahm element to be the great light. The Brahm Samajis have a temple where they keep a light ignited day and night. That costs so much and oil is wasted unnecessarily. Here you don't have to power anything. Remembrance work like oil. The oil is a form of remembrance. You sweetest children understand this. There is quarreling because this is something new. The father says, I come to you, sweet children. I only come in Bharat. Everyone has a lot of love for their motherland. The father loves everyone. Never says I only come in my land of Bharat. If Krishna's name had not been mentioned in the Gita, all human beings would believe in Shiv Baba. So many people go to a Shiva temple. The greatest temple was the temple to Somnath. So many temples have now been built. People don't believe in Krishna as much as they believe in the unlimited Father. At this time, you don't have anything else as lovely as him. This is not the praise of a corporeal being here. This is the praise of the incorporeal one who is beyond any effect of experiencing anything. Since the unlimited Father is the creator of heaven, you should make effort to claim your inheritance from him. When you keep saying today, tomorrow, death hits you up. Very little time remains. At least claim your inheritance from the Father. When you ask them to fill in the probes, questionnaires, tell them since you have the faith that He is unlimited Father. Make effort to claim your inheritance from the Father. Otherwise, as soon as you go outside, you will forget them everything. The Father is the benefactor. He says all of your sorrow will be removed for 21 births by having this yoga. You children should continue to explain at home. Remembering the unlimited Father who removes all sorrow, you will become Sattva-pradhan from Tamo-pradhan. You definitely have to remain pure. The main thing is purity. The more you stay in the remembrance, the more peaceful your physical organ will become. Your physical organ cannot become peaceful until you achieve the result of having yoga. Each of you should check yourself. Am I being deceived by the voice of lust? If I am a powerful yogi, there should be no mischief. This is like that stage of retirement. Continue to remember the Father alone. The Father explained to all the children, when you become good yogis and your eyes are not drawn anywhere, your physical organ will become peaceful. The eyes are the main things that deceive you. If your stage of yoga becomes very good, you can feel that you have reached the stage of retirement in your youth. The Father says, lust is the greatest enemy. Continue to check yourselves. The more you stay in remembrance, the more peaceful your physical organ will become, and the sweeter your nature will become. You will then feel, I was so bitter previously and I have now become so sweet. Baba is the ocean of love, and you children also have to become that. Therefore, Baba says, look at everyone with love. If you cause anyone sorrow, you will die in sorrow. Therefore, become very sweet. The Father says, I am Roop and Basant. You receive such invaluable jewels of knowledge and from Baba. You have to fill your apron with these. Those people go in front of Shankar and ask him to fill their apron. They don't understand. It is not Shankar who fills anyone's apron. You now understand that Baba, the ocean of knowledge, is filling the apron of your children with the jewels of knowledge. You too are Roop and Basant. Each of your soul is Roop and Basant. Continue to check yourself to see how many jewels of knowledge you imbibe and continue to perform the dance of knowledge. This means you have to donate the jewels to others. The best jewel is Manmanna Bhav. By remembering the father, you receive the father inheritance. Just as Baba is full of knowledge, so he makes you children equal to himself. Gurus to make other equal to themselves. This is the unlimited father who from from is a point. Whose from is a point. Whose from is a point. Your from are also points. He makes you children into ocean of knowledge equal to himself. You can understand that you will claim a high status according to how much you imbibe and inspire others to imbibe. If you benefit many others, you will receive blessings from many. The father also does service every day. This Dr. Gulzar explains so sweetly. Everyone loves it and they want to have such a teacher. However, one teacher cannot go everywhere. Nevertheless, Baba says those who feel that they can explain very well should do all around service. Let them have an interest in touring around other centers. Those who feel they can benefit many others and are able to spread that fragrance well should have that inheritance too. Go and tour around other centers for 10 to 15 days and then come back. When others see someone do this, they will also learn. Those who do something receive the return of it. This service is very benevolent. You give human beings the donation of life. This is the greatest and most elevated task. Businessmen too can find time to go on service. The Father loves and also sustains those who are serviceable. Those who are interested in doing service will not be able to stay without doing service. The Father also helps you. You children have to become very merciful. Those poor people have very sorrowful lives. You give them the donation of life. There is no donation as greatly elevated as donating the imperishable jewels of knowledge and to someone. You have to become very merciful. When teachers are weak, service becomes weak. This is why they ask for a good teacher. Whenever you have the thought, you should go and do service. Baba, which center is a slack? I shall go to the serve there. There are also the exhibition pictures. People can understand everything very clearly from the pictures. You should think about how to increase service. The Father makes everyone's life as valuable as diamond. You children also have to do service. Situation to the mothers is remembered, but they don't understand the meaning of that. You never praise impure human beings on earth for the earth. They are just the five elements. Why would you praise them? Bodies are made up of the five elements, and so to worship a body is like worshipping statues. Shiv Baba does not have a body of his own. His worship is the most elevated of all. All the rest is the middle level. Nowadays, people continue to worship impure human beings. Deities are great souls. They are purer than sannyasis. You children now know that you are becoming deities. The Father is teaching us how to render the imperishable jewel of knowledge. There is no donation greater than this. Only remember them, one Father. You have the pictures of Shiva and Lakshmi and Narayan. If you were all to put these up in your homes, you would remember that Shiva Baba is making you into Lakshmi and Narayan. You become it at this time. Shiva Baba is creator of heaven. He does not give you your inheritance in the golden age. Shiva Baba says, remember me in this last birth and you will become this. Forget everything else and engage yourselves in nothing but service. To remember the Father is also great service. All the elements, etc. will become pure. The praise of yoga is very great. There are many yoga ashrams in the world, but all of them teach physical Hatha yoga. This Raj yoga of yours enables your boat to go across. You have continued to come down the ladder through those many types of Hatha yoga. The main thing is remembrance. You have to check that your mind is not directed toward vice. Those who are vicious are said to be impure. That is, they are worth shell. By falling into lust, you harm yourself, whether the Father sees it or not. Those who do not do something receive the return of it. Check whether you are doing the Father service. Do I have any defect? If I do have them, I have to remove them. The Father continues to tell you a great deal to remove your weaknesses. No one even understands the meaning of being without virtue. What would the organization, children without virtues, be able to do when they have no virtues? They continue to speak without any meaning, whatever enters their minds. There are innumerable opinions. You are receiving the one direction through which you experience infinite happiness. The Father implies says, remember me and become as pure as a lotus. Become pure in your thoughts, words and deeds. You children know that we Brahman are serving ourselves and the whole world with our bodies, minds and wealth by following Srimat. The Father only comes in Bharat. You Pandavas are serving Bharat to make it into heaven. You are doing your work. Ultimately, the Pandavas are going to be victorious. This is not a question of war. You are doubly non-violent. You neither indulge in lust nor use guns. No one can attain sovereignty over the world through violence. Baba has explained that if both of them were to come together, they could rule the whole world. However, that is not in the drama. Christians swallowed the land of Krishnapuri. Originally, Bharat was the land of Krishna. They waged war and took over the sovereignty and also looted a great deal of wealth. That wealth is now being returned and you will then become the master of the world. Baba gives you so many wise methods. They snatched away your kingdom. They are now to fight among themselves and you will become the master of the world. This is such a huge sovereignty. The only thing that takes effort is to continue to remember Baba and claim your inheritance. You must not become distressed about this. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. We, the spiritual children, says Namaste to the spiritual father. A sense of dharma. Firstly, forget everything else and donate knowledge. Become Roop and Basant. Make effort to remove your weaknesses. Don't look at others. Secondly, make your nature very sweet. Look at everyone with love. Don't cause anyone sorrow. Become a conqueror of your physical senses. Blessing. May you make your awareness powerful with the help of Amrit Vela and sustenance of Srimat and become a embodiment of remembrance. May you make your awareness powerful with the help of Amrit Vela and the sustenance of Srimat and become embodiment of remembrance. If you want to make your awareness powerful and become an embodiment of remembrance, then understand the value of the time of Amrit Vela. Just as you have Srimat, in the same way, understand time and move along according to the time, and you will easily be able to attain all attainments and become free from having to work hard. By moving along while understanding the importance of Amrit Vela, you will perform every action according to its importance. At that time, there is special silence, and so you can easily make your awareness powerful. Slogan: those who become conqueror of Maya by having remembrance and doing altruistic service are constantly victorious. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba. प्यारे बाबा, मीठे बाबा.